Good afternoon. Well, welcome if you're joining me for the first time, and welcome back if you're a regular viewer of my channel. I've come to Bystock Reserve this afternoon, which is a Devon Wildlife Trust Nature Reserve. Really nice and varied, absolutely fantastic. We've got a meadow, we've got woodland, we've got heathland, and we've got a lovely lake pond, and we'll be sort of seeing all of those this afternoon. So let's head off and explore. At one end you've got the meadow, which is what you can see behind me, and there's a car park at the top of the meadow there, and at the other end is where we've got the lake, and parking there is just on the side of the road. So this is the meadow. We're not really going to take any shots here. I've parked on the lake end on the side of the road, and I've just walked up to this end to start. Like I say, I'm not really going to take any shots here. We're going to go down through into the heathland, which is through the gate here and behind me, and we're going to walk through there, maybe get some shots, we'll see. There's grazing livestock in through here, 4 Exmouth ponies. I'm just reading this off of the post here. So we've got 4 Exmouth ponies grazing in that section. Yeah, and we're going to walk down to Bystock Pools, passing the woodland on the way. So we'll be going in to the woodland, see if we can get some shots in there, and then on down to the lake to try and get some shots there. Quite often you get some nice reflection shots there. So be back in a bit. Let's head off back through the heathland. I've just walked around on the other side of the heathland where I don't normally walk. I stay over the other side normally. I've come over here because we've got the ponies this side. So we'll try and see if we can get a couple of shots of those. Well, the ponies are not even taking their noses out of the heather, grass, whatever it is they're eating there. Must be shy. So I'm going to walk around to the other side and head off into the woodland. Just walked up on the left hand side of the heathland. There's a gate there which leads me into a bit of woodland here. Not particularly dense, it looks like it's perhaps finished just up there a little bit. There's possibly woodland over the other side as well, but I'm just going to have a little explore around this one, see if I can find anything interesting. Well, I can't really see anything at the moment that grabs my attention. I'm looking for sort of like, you know, trees that stand out amongst the others. Any nice mushrooms. that sort of thing. I'll keep having a wander around. Right, I've emerged from that bit of woodland down to the heathland again, and I'm just walking back up a little bit to go down to the lake or the ponds, whatever they call it. There's absolutely loads of dragonflies about here. Some of them are massive. Funny place to be camping. The light has just gone so quick. I don't think I'm gonna get anything else. No point heading into more woodland now because it's getting too dark. This is the lake area there. Right, I did just take a shot from here, bracketed exposure, got some cloud reflections there, so hopefully that's okay to show. But I think that's going to be it. The sun's gone behind big bank of cloud now, so not going to be getting anything there now, so I think it's probably time to head off. Nice afternoon, couple of hours having a wander around a nice nature reserve. Nothing any good really, photo wise, image wise, but a nice afternoon out in nature. So hope you've enjoyed it. There's a family of ducks over there. Don't think they're going to head my way though. So that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'll be back with you again soon. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't done already. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified of any new posts. I'll be back with you soon.